Hi guys, I just wanted to show you what I decided to do with my tree. I put it in the sunroom off this screened-in porch because my living room is really small. So we decided to put it back here in front of these doors, and I did like a red and silver glass, type of thing to kind of go with the theme of the rest of the house. So yeah, it'll look probably better at night. But yeah, we picked up these and these red ones. Yeah, to go with the crystal ones I have. And my top guy here didn't fit. He's supposed to go on the top, but there's no room. So yeah, I had to buy that. That's the automatic cat box making noise over there. I had these on the porch and I brought them in. And like a little area here. And at night I put the light on. Over there. That looks good. I got the reindeer. I put him on there, which I think looks good. And then I had just recently bought this and this. They are beds. Like, this drops down. See? And the other side drops down. And it becomes somewhere for you to sleep. So I figured that was good. So yeah, that. And I got it in red to kind of bounce off the rest of the house. And I got the wood look here. Then there's this. This is also a bed. It folds open. So this goes this way. That's that. And then we're changing this wall unit to a dark wood. So that's why I went with that being dark wood. This thing I don't know what to do with yet. All my books usually go on it, and now it's just thrown over here. And this is the knickknacks, Christmas stuff, that I'm supposed to put in the wall unit, but I'm probably not using this one, so I wasn't going to put them out yet. So yeah, that's what we decided to do with this room. I think it looks good. And my husband made this table over here. He made it for the dining room because we ordered this one and it's way too small. So now I need chairs for this table because I'm using them over there. And he did this one with epoxy. See, it's got like the wood look. He screwed like 4 slots together, stained it black, and then went over it with the epoxy. So yeah, now I got a big dining room table. That I painted myself. It was brown, like wood, and I made it black. So I did that, and it has lights in it. Which is cool. And what else did we do? We did the floors. They used to look like that. He did the countertops himself with epoxy. He made them and stained them. And I think they came out good. Got over here too. Then we did the backsplash. You just have to get the sockets. We're going to do black. Like this. See? And what else? Oh, and then I did the living room. I bought a table here. And I bought a sofa table back there. And this table here. And I picked up these curtains. And yeah, so that's basically it for down here. We didn't do anything upstairs yet. We did do the lights outside, but you can't really see them. But they go across the whole front and the porch and down the bottom of the porch. And then they go across the whole side of the house because there's an awning here also. Yeah. So we did all that. Looks much better at night. Oh, and I got my Boxycharm. For October. What is it called? What is it called? It's called Gold Digger. I already opened it. I got the makeup brush cleanser, which I think is cool, which is not focusing. But yeah, I needed that. That was worth $12. I got these brushes, which are great for the eyeshadow. You know, the eyes. So it's a Luxie brush set, and that was $21. I got this Cover FX glitter drops. And they're really nice. It's a nice color. See? Really nice. And that was worth $44. This I'm not too thrilled about because it's a black eyeliner, but it has glitter in it. And yeah, I'm not thrilled with that. I don't like glitter eyeliner. But it's from Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner, and it's worth $5. And then I got the Ace Beauty palette, which I already used. $24.99 it was worth. But that is in my bathroom. So let's go look. I keep all my palettes in here. And where is it? I think it's this one. Yeah. So I got this palette. And then I already used it. And I really like it. Poppy's really nice. And that's it. Okay, so yeah, sorry about that. I'm getting cut off by phone calls. You know, my phone rings and cuts the video off. But yeah, so I got that palette. I already used it. I like it. I wanted to show you some dishes I picked up too in ShopRite. I really liked them. They had round ones, but I like the square ones better. They're more fancy looking. You know, they look a little bigger. I don't know, but I like these better. And I got the bowls and the cake plates. Yeah, what else? Oh, and then the red glasses. I got like a whole bunch of these to go with the, you know, the theme of the kitchen. And believe it or not, I got these utensils with the red on the bottom in the dollar store. How cool is that? This I got at Walmart. And I got the napkin holder to match over there. Yeah, so slowly coming along, slowly. So yeah, that's it, guys. Just need some chairs for here. Oh, and there was a hole here when we moved in. Like literally, it goes through to the steps on the other side that go to the basement. So we just put up like a dry erase board, and people have just been, my kids, and everybody just write messages on it. It's pretty funny. My son made a list. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I got the stove set, Samsung, the microwave, the dishwasher, which is cool. When it's finished, it plays like a musical tune, and then it opens by itself. I think that's really cool. And then we got the refrigerator. Yeah, so it's coming along slowly. I had to use computer chairs on the ends because I only had 4 chairs that came with this set. So for Thanksgiving, I needed that one and that one. And then we had another one like right there. It was smaller though, but it was from my son's room, so he took it back. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's what I got in Boxy. That's what's been going on. I know I haven't been on in a while. But yeah, I don't know if you could see me because the camera doesn't flip when I'm recording, but yeah. So that's what's been going on. And I guess I'll see you in my next one. All right. Bye, guys.